In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom chatbot to Slack. If you've built a chatbot in Node.js, Python, or another AI framework, connecting it to Slack is a practical way to bring that bot directly into your team's daily workflow. The goal here is to let your bot receive messages from Slack, process them through your application logic, and then send helpful responses right back into the conversation in real time. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack app developer console. Once you're there, click Create New App and choose the option to build it from scratch. Then enter a name for your app and select the workspace where you want to install it. After that, create the app to enter its configuration area. Next, you'll need to define the permissions your bot will use. In the left-hand sidebar, open OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down until you reach the Scopes section, and inside Bot Token Scopes, click Add an OAuth scope. Add the permissions that allow the bot to post messages, detect mentions, and read direct message history. These permissions are important because without them, your chatbot won't be able to listen or reply properly inside Slack. Once the scopes are added, go back to the top of the page and install the app to your workspace. Slack will show you a permission review screen, and after you approve it, the bot token will be generated. This token is what your application uses to authenticate when sending messages back to Slack, so make sure you store it securely and never expose it publicly. After that, it's time to configure event listening. Your chatbot backend needs to be running and available through a public URL. That could be a cloud-hosted server or a temporary testing tunnel. In the Slack app settings, open event subscriptions and turn them on. Then paste your public endpoint into the request URL field. Slack will immediately send a verification challenge, and your server must return that challenge correctly before Slack marks the endpoint as verified. Once the URL is verified, scroll down to the bot events section and add the events for app mentions and direct messages. Save your changes so Slack knows exactly which message types should trigger your bot. Finally, wire up your backend logic. When a user sends a message in Slack, Slack posts that event to your server. Your backend should receive the request, verify that it's genuinely from Slack, extract the user's message, and pass that text into your chatbot logic or language model. After your system generates a response, send it back to Slack through the chat post message API using your bot token. At that point, your custom chatbot is officially connected and ready to respond inside Slack.